Welcome to Basic AI. Let's get started with an annotator. You are in the annotation stage of the task workflow. First, go to the Task tab on the sidebar. Under My Tasks, To Do, locate the Annotation category. The pending annotation tasks assigned to you will be displayed here. When the status is ongoing and data available in the task pool, click Annotate to claim a batch of data. In the data list, click Annotate on a data card or Annotate All to access the tool page. Start annotating. A timer will be displayed here. You can pause and restart it. The data will be reset to the task pool when the countdown expires. If you encounter questions or difficulties, click Suspend to hold the data temporarily. The suspended data can be reclaimed later through the task card. After completing the annotation for the current data, submit it to the next stage of the queue. Reviewers or other team members may reject your submissions. Modify these rejects based on the reasons and comments. When finished, resubmit them. You may come across some errors while performing the task. Don't worry, click the avatars on the card to get your admin's contact information. Additionally, you can click here to view your performance. Feel free to check out the document for more details. See you in the next session.